Please sit in a comfortable posture. Please sit in a comfortable posture. Sit quietly. Close your eyes. And do nothing for a minute or so. Thoughts will come and that is okay. It is natural to have thoughts during meditation. After a minute or so, in the same natural way that thoughts come, and without moving your tongue or lips, quietly inhale all the positivity within you. Now, exhale all the negative thoughts from your mind. Slowly again, take a deep breath with a feeling of compassion for others. And now, breathe out all your stress. Again, breathe in with a note of happiness. And now, breathe out all your unworthiness. Our today's topic is, always let your consignment be your guide. So, what is conscience? Conscience has been successfully described as the soul distinguished between what is morally good and bad, prompting to do the former and shun the latter. I read an incident today about a poor magician who wanted to give his king a very special gift. After much work, he designed a magic ring which had a very special property. Every time the king had an evil thought or an unworthy ambition, the ring began to spin brightly around his finger, thus warning him of impending danger. The human conscience is like that. It is a ring around the heart, which tightens every time we begin to violate our own standards. It warns of impending danger. Conscience is the bridge between thought and action. Our conscience is a God-given gift, which is like an arbiter who is constantly evaluating all that we do and instructing us as to what is right and what is wrong. Let us unite in upholding the values of conscience, striving to create a world where empathy and integrity prevail. Let your conscience be your guide today and yesterday.
Conscience is trustworthy only if it is enlightened and restricted by the express will of God. Otherwise, we may manipulate it to the point where its leaders to behave in ways are contrary of God's will. This possibilities exist in all of us. We are capable of relationalizing our desire and making them the controlling force that shapes our conscience. मैंने कभी जमीन को मरने नहीं दिया, मैंने कभी जमीन को मरने न दिया, हार कर भी खुद को कभी बिकने न दिया। पीछा तो घर तक मेरा करती रही हवा, मैंने कभी एक चिराग को बुझने नहीं दिया। अभी जमीन से थोड़ी सी जान बाकी है, अभी मेरे कई इम्तहान बाकी है, कई इम्तहान बाकी है।
हमारी अंतरात्मा हमें सही मार्ग दिखाती है, परंतु शर्त है कि हम अपनी आत्मा को पवित्र रखें। हमें जीवन में कोई ऐसा कार्य नहीं करना चाहिए जिससे स्वयं अपनी नज़रों में हम गिर जाएं और आत्मसम्मान खो दें। अंतरात्मा पर विश्वास होने के लिए यह जरूरी है कि हम उसे उस छोटे बच्चे की तरह पवित्र रखें जो संसार के सारे छल कपट से दूर है। सदैव आत्मा की आवाज़ सुने।
Remember the first time you told a lie. You probably felt very bad for telling it. But the next time you told a lie, it became easier for you. We have all known people who were so good at lying. They could look right convinced themselves that telling a lie is actually not so bad. That is why the only way we can stand as righteous before God is through our faith in God. So be sure to only let your conscience be your guide to a moral and happy life, and to be successful in your life. Now say after me, God our friend, Mother and Father, may you be praised in your diversity of name and forms by the whole universe. May we experience a world guided by your values of justice, fraternity, equality, freedom, peace, hope, and love. May you will be the motive force of all our dreams and actions. Give us a daily food for body, mind, and soul. Strengthen us to forgive and forget without counting the cost. Forgive us offenses as we forgive those who offended us in the past. Bless all those who offend us now with your peace. Strengthen us always to stand for truth without fear and walk in the path of life with hope, trust, optimism and creativity. Protect us from all evil forces and liberate us from hatred, despair and depression. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Peace, peace, peace. Now kindly rub your palm and put onto your eyes. Now gently open your eyes. A very good morning, students. Thank you so much.